Hello everyone, welcome to How to Browse our YouTube channel. In this video I'll show you how to make a star shaped hole in Blender. So let's jump right into the video. So what you have to do first, so what you need to do, select the cube and then press tab and K for the knife tool is located right over here. Okay, where is it? Is here. So yep, you can use the command or the knife tool, or you can click here, knife. Now let's create our star. So let's start from here, 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 here. Now that's a very perfect star. I love it. Now what you have to do is to go to select or press and also play W, and now select this face, and also don't forget to press 3 or select here face, so we can select the face and right click. Now sorry, no, just press X on your keyboard and select faces. Now when you have a hole, you can also go to modifier properties and add some solidify, so we can make this hole a little bit more thick. And